Hi, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am creating that summer look with a red juicy lips. I am using mostly new YSL products. I focused mostly on a glowy skin and I did something very light on the eyes. No eyeshadow palette, just a little bit of kohl and mascara. That's it. Super simple, super quick, and super efficient. So if you want to see how I created that super glowy look, please keep on watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on my other social media, and let's get started. Alright, so my face is prepped. I use my Drunk Elephant Serum Serum, my Drunk Elephant eye cream, and the Smashbox primerizer. I bought the YSL Touche Eclat all-in-one glow foundation, and I bought the shade BD50. Okay, so this is how it comes up. Very nice packaging. I think it's pretty neat. And it comes with a pump. It's a tube and a pump. Love it. It's light, you can travel with it. Nice. So let's see. And I'm gonna apply it with my hand. Okay, I have two pumps. It's very liquidy, kind of the same formula as the Skin Feels Good from Lancome. I like the smell, like it's a nice like scent. It's not too overwhelming for those who are sensitive to fragrance. Oh, but it blends very nicely into the skin. For the Lancome, I'm the shade, well, I have the shade Fresh Almond, and I would say it's a hint darker than that. That is one layer, and I can totally see my freckles, but it gives my skin a nice tint. Another like half a pump for my forehead, and go back wherever I feel like I'd like more coverage and see what it does. Okay, well, it's slightly more coverage, but it's like a very, I would say, a light coverage foundation for sure. It's more a skin tint than a foundation, definitely. But I really like the finish, and I think for this summer, when you don't want something as heavy as a foundation, that would be perfect. It has a very dewy finish, light coverage. We'll see when it dries. If it's still dewy, I might set it with a powder. Well, I'm gonna try to use as many YSL products I have, and don't mind me if I don't have everything to do that look. But okay, so for concealer, I'm gonna use the All Hours concealer, and that's the shade number 2. And that's a shade I bought actually this winter, so it might start to be a little bit light, but since I'm a little bit golden right now, it might mix together and be perfect. Okay, we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna take one of my favorite concealer brushes, which is Morphe M335. I love that brush to blend concealer. It's mattifying a little bit the foundation too. Put what is left on my lid just to neutralize the redness, the little veins. And to be honest, so I've been using that YSL concealer already, and it's not my favorite. I just have a feeling that within the day, like I need to touch up, add more, and it kind of creases. But well, for the sake of that video, I am using it today, and because it's slightly too light, it is brightening, so that looks good. Well, I'm gonna set a little bit the foundation and the concealer with the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder, my little deluxe sample. Told you, I'm gonna use it all the time. Really, really like it. And I'm gonna dust it under my eyes and in this area so I'm not shiny. I wonder if my skin didn't change a bit because I found it like less dry. But see how beautiful that powder is? You still have a glowy finish. I'm sorry I don't have a YSL bronzer, so I'm going to jump onto my Smashbox Cali contour. I'm really enjoying it lately. I'm just gonna warm up the skin quickly. And also, you probably noticed in my other video, I have a little patch here. I have it for like a month now, maybe more. And it won't grab the pigment. If you see that, it's not the foundation. It's not me, it's just like my little, I have a little patch here and for some reason it doesn't want to grab the pigment. Just so you know, I need to see a dermatologist. Using the contour shade. That's such a nice palette, guys. If you don't have a face palette, I highly recommend that one. I think it's like $50 Canadian dollars and it's totally worth it. Oop, tiny bit here. Tiny bit, holy crap. It grabbed a lot of pigment. Okay, well. Whoops. In case it happens, just use a foundation brush that you haven't cleaned. Maybe it's gross, but I do that and just it grabs like maybe the excess. Blush, super pretty blush. And I have to say everything is layering beautifully on top of that YSL foundation. So I love the foundation so far. The concealer, I'm not a fan, I knew that. Creases under the eyes. Yeah, and I'm not gonna use the highlighters. These are very nice, by the way. I know I haven't used them in the other video as well. They're very nice. It's just I have a YSL highlighter that I want to use. So I'm gonna do that now if I find it. Oh yeah. Here is the beauty. It's such a pretty highlighter. I'm gonna show you. So it's Les Sahariennes Bronzing Stone highlighter, and look at that. It has a beautiful mirror, and then oh, it's almost sad to put a dent into that little guy. It's so pretty. Let's go for it. Woo! Did you see that? There, look at that highlighter. Probably my light, even my light, I think it's too strong, but oh, it's looking wet right now on my skin. Look at that. Let's do it again. Oh, yes. And that one is probably a limited edition, so I'm sorry guys, jump on it if you can. YSL, make it permanent, because this is a stunning highlighter. I would say it compares highly to the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezi highlighter, and I wonder if it's not even more glowy. And you know what, because of that formula, I wonder, I have a feeling it might look good on every skin tone. Oh, I want to put it all over my face. Oh la la. I might have put a bit too much. Inner corner of my eyes. I wonder what it does if I spray the brush. Should I? Yeah, let's do that. Let's spray the brush. Fix Plus. Wow. Do you see that? Let's go under the brow bone. Because I'm not going to do much on my eyes today, guys. I don't have any palettes like YSL palettes, so it's going to be pretty natural. Wow. I love that highlighter. And I knew it because I swatched it, and oh yeah, by the way, let's do a little swatch here. So that's the highlighter. Ooh. Okay, so let's compare with the Amrezi highlighter and Anastasia. Okay, see, it's super similar. I would say the YSL is slightly more pink, but very subtle. They're very similar, so I don't even know if Amrezi's highlighter is still available. If not, you can jump on that YSL highlighter and vice versa. You know, if you can't get the YSL, super similar. They're both super similar. Stunning. Woo! I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, super quick to do my eyebrows. Honestly, I've been using what I've been loving, the Rodial glamobrow precision eyebrow pencil in the shade dark ash brown. You can find Rodial at Mural here. You can find it, I believe, for the makeup. I'm not sure you find it at Shoppers, but they have a skincare, and then I believe Saks too. And I set my eyebrows with the ABH clear brow gel. I've been loving this. Anyway, and then I started like to neutralize my lid more, like because the YSL concealer was not enough, so I'm using my Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Cannelle, just to have a very nice clean lid, because I'm not gonna do eyeshadows today since the lipstick I have is red. I want to have a very clean eye look because of that. So just apply this with a finger and then taking a little bit of that Hourglass translucent powder again and just set the lid. I got it, I don't know, as a gift, I don't know, I can't remember where, but I have the YSL Dessin du Regard waterproof eye pencil, and that's a black one. It's a mini one, but I love these guys, like it's just like they give you that and they last so long. So okay, just tight lining. This is my best trick to make my lash line look thicker. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see how it looks thicker. Tickles a bit, and then you know what, I'm gonna go in the waterline too. Alright, then for mascara I'm gonna use Volume effet faux cils. I just love their packaging, it's so sleek. I'm just gonna put a ton of it. But you know what, I did not curl my lashes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, and apply the mascara. Keeps the lashes very wispy. It doesn't get clumpy. See, I'm gonna say that and then it's gonna get clumpy just to piss me off. Alright, and of course you could totally leave your look like that, just with a nice neutral color like a lip balm or something nude. But I have something that is quite different from me. Well, I have a ton of these little guys. You can see them right there. I'm just obsessed with the formula, the scent. I just love it. I got this one, and this one is part of a new collection too. So that's a Rouge Volupte Shine number 75. Well, look at that packaging. So pretty. It's the same as always, but with the color of the actual lipstick. I haven't tried it yet. See, the bullet is like all shiny and cute. So we're gonna do one layer first. Oh, it smells so good. And I should probably use a lip crayon, but well. I just want to see the different finishes you can get with this. See, the more you apply, the more pigmented it is. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we passed the husband test. He likes it. He finds the red lips sexy. He thinks that this smells like peach. And usually he doesn't like red lipstick, but he really liked that one. So that's a good one to get. Lately I haven't been wearing much color on my lips just because of my trays, my Invisalign. I don't want any pigment to transfer on my trays or the little buttons. But this is such a pretty color, and so that is 2 layers. Give him a kiss and it transferred, of course. I think, yeah, bare eyes, glowy skin and red lips. You can't go wrong if you're in a hurry. Just skip the eyes, do the minimum and just toss on a bright red lips. That's the final look. What do you think? I will try to do a little check-in when I'm back from work, but so far the foundation looks beautiful. And it's funny because first, well, it looks like it's gonna be very light coverage and you're not sure you can wear that for like a solid makeup day, if I can say so, but very like healthy skin look. Type of foundation, and very similar to the Lancome one. So up to you. Maybe YSL has more options for colors, for shades, so just take a look, have a pick. And that highlighter, completely worth the hype. If you need to get one thing, well, the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Emerald will be a dupe for that one. If you can't spend that much, but the packaging is stunning. It comes in that little poche, that petite poche, like that, and then you have It comes with a brush, but I never use the brush. Maybe I should try. It's actually very nice, like the bristles are very soft. Alright guys, so it's been 2 hours since I put on that foundation, and so far it looks gorgeous. The lips, obviously I applied a bit more because I had just the tint left, you know. It leaves a beautiful tint. Actually, maybe I should have left it maybe tonight. Really happy with the foundation. It looks so glowy, natural, like everything blended so well together and works so well. That highlighter, I'm just obsessed. I think it's beautiful. Like I said, my husband stopped by very quickly, and usually is the kind of man that doesn't like when I put too much makeup on, and he really liked my skin. He really liked my eyes like that, with a no eyeshadow, just, you know, like a nice like neutral base on the eyelid, and then just mascara and kohl. He loves that. And the red lips, he found it really pretty and sexy, so really happy. I will check in with you a little bit later, and it's time for me to actually go to work, so I will see you in a bit. Ciao! Hey, it's me again, and it's been 8 hours now. I'm back from work, and I just wanted to do a last checkup with you. And I have to say, I am super impressed with the Touche Eclat All-in-One Glow Foundation. It's beautiful. It looks super natural on the skin. It has that beautiful, like, dewy look, but with a very nice coverage, which is really surprising, because at first I'm like, oh, it looks like it's not gonna be a ton of coverage, but actually once it's set on your skin and you rub it with your finger, kind of the same as the Lancome Skin Feels Good, it does the same thing. Like, it gives that beautiful coverage, but like very natural glow. I'm gonna zoom you in. See, like, this is how the foundation looks like. I am super impressed. So this is a big thumbs up for me. I love it so much. I did not reapply the lipstick since I left, so it leaves a beautiful stain on, and I'm really happy with it. It tends to dry a little bit my lips, I would say. Not sure why. I'm not sure if it's the lipstick or not, but it's still on. The glow, beautiful. Definitely a yes. The concealer, as I told you, I'm not that impressed with it, so I kind of knew that within the day it just loses pigmentation. I don't know how to describe it, but just here I have no coverage. That's all I have to say. The rest of the mascara is nice, it's much proof, and the contour palette is beautiful. Yeah, back to the conclusion. Yeah, well, I think that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!